been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvmehair company. Thank you so much, Luvmehair company, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, today I have a 360 wig with the twist. Okay, it does not have lace at the back. It has an anti-slip lining. It also has a drawstring and a natural handmade hairline. You will see what I'm talking about. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, it is beginner friendly. You don't have to do much. All right, so I'm so excited. I'm really no glue will be needed to install this wig. I'll show you. Okay, I will show you. So without any further ado, you guys, let's get straight into today's video.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So guys, this is the Luvmehair box. It is purple and silver, and I just want to show you all the nice goodies that they were kind enough to send me. They sent me this HD wig cap, a wig storage bag, a branded hair clipper, and of course an anti-slip wig band. Now I'm excited to show you guys this water wave wig. It is a 13x4 lace closure wig. Okay, it is a frontal wig and it comes pre everything. Okay, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all right, and pre-styled as well. So I just want to show you guys how this wig looks inside. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back. This wig is nice and stretchy as well. Okay, so this wig band is anti-slip, and it is also branded. Now my favorite part, okay, this wig is a game changer. First of all, it has this anti-slip lining over here. I think you can see it, and it has a drawstring, and it also has this handmade hairline. Okay, let me turn it like this. You see the hairline, so you can do an updo without having to use any glue. Okay, look at that. This anti-slip is gonna make sure that your wig is not gonna slip. Okay, it's not going anywhere. All right, and you can adjust your wig accordingly, okay, with this drawstring over here. So this is a nice twist, I don't want to lie. I am so excited to see how it's going to look, and I did mention that this wig is nice and stretchy as well. I love the water wave. They are doing what they're supposed to do. They're nice and bouncy. They move. Okay, they move. They are nice and soft as well. So we're gonna put this girl on, and I'm excited. And the wig is nice and snug. So I'm going to use a little bit of serum. And separate the curls just a bit. So guys, this is the dry look. This is how the wig is looking straight out of the box. The only thing that I did was just to, you know, separate the curls, and yeah, so I'm going to use water and conditioner just so that we can define the curls just a little bit. This is water and conditioner in this bottle, by the way.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry.
This is how the wig is looking when the curls are defined and wet. All right, No clue, nothing, no clue whatsoever. I mean guys, whether you want an everyday look, a sleek ponytail, or a cute updo, this wig makes everything easy. A glueless 360 wig with a handmade hairline, honestly it is a must-have. The drawstring fit and anti-slip lining keep the wig super secure and comfortable all day. And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvmehair company. Until next time you guys, bye.